Hi friends, welcome to this weekly roundup from OAWA. So there are four updates from us today. The first one is the change in the yield curve control by Bank of Japan to around plus minus 50 basis points. Why is it important? Japan has been the supplier of low cost capital to markets around the globe. By its change in the yield curve control to plus minus 50 basis points, the message to the world is that the interest rates are slowly going up. Inflation has come back in Japan as well. So the flow of capital from Japan into the other parts of the globe could be under a question mark. The second thing, and very importantly, Indian investors had been investing and diversifying in overseas markets. US has been one of the prime markets in which Indian investors have been investing. If IPO market is an indicator about the health of the equity market, in the calendar year 2022, there have been just about 180 IPOs in this calendar year, whereas in the last calendar year 2021, there were close to 1,000 IPOs. The S&P index is down by 19%, while the Nasdaq is down by 30%. While we as Indian investors have been diversifying into US markets, but this market hasn't done well for Indian investors this year. Thirdly, emerged economies have hike rates far more in this calendar year compared to emerging markets. While in India the rate hike has been around 200 basis points, China has not yet hiked rates. In fact, they have dropped interest rates marginally. Whereas in the developed markets, the central bankers have hiked rates far more in the range of 300 to 400 basis points. Obviously, the inflation situation in these markets are quite detrimental compared to the inflation situation in emerging markets. And finally, the comeback of COVID infections. It is just not happening in China. In this week, we get to know that it has spread to several parts of the globe as well. We will await the guidance from the ministries. Till then, let's keep our investments safe. All the very best and speak to you next week. Take care.